This is my 2005 Toyota Corolla named Parker. Recently, I wanted to give her some upgrades. More specifically, a custom car horn. Let's get to building this thing. It's primarily ran off an Adafruit Audio FX soundboard, and the reason for there being so many of them? Well, I'm dumb, and this is all I need to fix the issue. We'll get to that later though. In actuality, thank you Adafruit for sending me so many of these. You guys are amazing. Well, let's just get going. Start with soldering. Now, let's wire up our buttons. That looks terrible. Better. There you go. Let's wire it all up, gut out the car, and test it.